The process on the computer itself is not a single device that moves alone or a single device, but consists of various kinds of equipment and components that work together and are interconnected with each other. Wide range of functions stably.
CPU. With the power supply, the components inside the computer get enough power. Nevertheless, not too much. The choice of power supply must also be careful because each motherboard requires different power, unless the power supply is too small, which results in the computer being able to leave the machine, and also not too large, because it can cause an explosion because overpower.
Motherboard. Motherboard just like the power supply. The motherboard also includes components that are located inside the CPU casing. So if you want to know and see it, you now have to disable the CPU. In a laptop type computer there is also a motherboard component. The function of the motherboard is to make it a place for placement media the main component equipment for the computer, such as RAM, processor, VGA, and all device connected to the computer will be connected to the motherboard.
Software is a special term for data that is digitally formatted and stored, including computer programs, their documentation, and various information that can be read and written by a computer. In other words, part of a computer system that is intangible.